Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Fraser. I'm the world's nicest chef. It's been a while. Today we're gonna make the CHRUNCHWRAP Supreme, and I have a very special guest, Chris from the Flatliners.
Hi.
We're gonna start with the TVP meat, which is a little bit better than the Taco Bell meat that you get at Taco Bell. This is TVP. Have you ever had TVP?
I have.
So we're gonna start by making a spice mix.
I'm gonna wait till he comes back and tell me what to do.
Right, yeah, it's all gonna mix together anyways.
Oh, what? Okay. Got that TVP.
You were eyeing this fridge earlier.
Look at this fridge.
So yeah, we gotta wait about 5 minutes for this to rehydrate.
I just feel like you're eating cereal.
Yeah, or like dust or something.
I thought we were making dust today.
I'm gonna get you to cut up this shallot.
Well, I spent a long time working at bars, one bar really. So I cut these like I used to cut lime. Cut it like this first. See, this is where I struggle.
Yeah.
I can't chop. I feel like this is really intimidating. You watching me do this. Your knife's so much sharper than mine.
You got that show in Brazil. You don't want to cut your hands.
That's right.
What bar did you work at?
I worked at Sneaky D's for 10 years. Jägermeister is a true sense memory for me, where I just feel like it takes me back to being 22 years old in Alberta.
Oh,
every time I smell it.
That would be rough.
It's just Alberta. Yeah.
That's sweet.
Big love to the Sneaky D's family. Yeah. Somehow they don't have a crunch wrap. But another iconic place does, Taco Bell. But that's not what we're doing here today, right?
That's not what we're doing.
We're doing something else.
With the shallots, garlic, and all those spices that we
everything
poured out. Yeah.
Incredible.
Cooking with gas.
Here we go. I'm allergic to cooking with gas.
No, we're not.
Okay, good.
Are you actually?
No. How's the stir job going? Are we good?
Yeah, the stir job's
great.
Oh
shit. Oh my god.
I'm just filming a little behind the scenes.
Yeah. Get it.
So we're gonna add this now. See how this is nicely absorbed?
Right in there.
Stir that in, and then you're gonna add this. And then I'm gonna cut you a lime in half.
Oh, I bet you guys wish I wasn't left-handed, so my hand wouldn't be.
Oh shit, you're left-handed? I'm
left-handed. Yeah, baby. Are you?
Yeah, that's crazy. How'd you get so good at guitar?
First of all, thank you for saying that. Okay, this looks good. This smells good.
Yeah, so that's pretty much done. We're gonna come back over to the prep zone here.
I got into punk through music through punk. Punk was first, I think, and I got into punk through skateboarding.
Sweet.
Same thing, watching skate videos.
Yeah. Hearing
all the old Fat and Epitaph stuff, you know? I have an older brother. I have an older brother.
So we're gonna cut this corn. We're gonna do this little trick here. You just go like this, and typically all the corn will fall right into the, I mean, you'll make less of a mess.
Sure.
You're still gonna make a mess.
It's controlled chaos though.
Yeah, this is like corn season, so I figured we might as well use fresh. And then we're gonna get you to like torch it.
Holy shit.
Wow. So we got a small flame there. And you're just gonna torch it like that.
Wow, that crackle's nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like popcorn.
Like AMSR, ASMR?
Yeah.
ASMR, here we go. I just dated myself huge just saying that. Guessing what order the acronym's in. The comments are going crazy right now.
Yeah.
I got here, I was like, fuck today. Today sucks. It's bullshit. Like, I'm excited to do this, but everything else sucks.
Yeah, exactly.
And then I saw the yellow door, I was like, this rules.
But a good way to know if an avocado is ripe is you peel that. If it has one of those stems, you just peel it off, and if it's all green inside, you're usually good. Oh, wow, look at that. That's like 90% core. That's brutal.
Can I do a shout out right now? I can't remember the name now. What a useless shout out. It's next to the Middle East venue in Cambridge. We'll just drop the name right in here.
Kind of like the same size as the corn. This is kind of like, it doesn't really matter because it's all going in a crunch wrap, you know? But I like a little bit of texture. I find plant-based food is like 90% mush, but this one looks so good.
That's a good one.
It is.
Now, can I ask you to teach me how to cut a tomato?
Sure. So I like to use this is a bread knife.
Okay.
Because 90% of people don't have sharp knives at home.
That's right.
You know, it's going to cut through the skin because you have the teeth.
You're slicing first
I'm slicing,
and then you're stacking?
And then I'm stacking, yeah. Okay,
so you're doing it the way I think I would do it. Like, I feel like I'm an okay cook, but then in a kitchen next to you, I feel like I am just inept. When I first started working at Sneaky D's, I was just like intimidated by the whole situation. But obviously, like, I also really knew how like lucky I was to get a job there because it's an institution.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? In the city. And it's just like, that family has done so much for so many people, not only the people that work with them at the restaurant, but like the community. Yeah, the imposter syndrome is real everywhere. Yeah. It's easy to be intimidated in this world.
It is. Just gonna add a pinch of salt to this.
Nice.
And then I'm gonna get you to mix that all in. Okay. It's not, ideally it would be in a bowl, but we already got that dirty.
Yeah, let's do it.
So I like minimal dishes.
Okay. Colorful, fresh, delicious. You think this is what it looks like when they make it at Taco Bell?
We're gonna make this cashew cream. So these are just cashews that have been soaking in water.
I look at the recipe, I go, oh shit. Dinner's gonna be 1 hour later today. Because I forgot.
Do you like spicy food or no?
I do.
Oh,
Oh, 2 peppers?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is that
No,
too
I'm just
much?
kidding, I'm kidding, I'm kidding.
Another half a lime.
Beautiful. Just getting,
you just squeeze that in.
citrused out here.
And then a nice big
good for
pinch
ya.
of salt. We're gonna cut the sound here, but we're gonna whiz this up. Very roughly slice this lettuce up.
That's how I do it.
Nice. These are from Costco.
Look at that. Now, okay, I have to ask you a question about tostadas. Why do they not give you like 5 in a
You're
bag?
right.
Why is there no option?
I almost didn't buy these because the
it's too-
bag's so big.
It's too many. And the other thing I feel like with tostadas, the comments are gonna go wild. I can't figure out how to eat like a tostada
Well, they just break it.
properly.
Yeah.
The first bite, it's over.
Everything falls
It's
apart.
delicious still, but the crunch wrap I feel like is where the tostada, really shines. Yeah, spoken like a true suburban kid from Canada who just grew up in a van on tour. The crunch wrap is really where the tostada.
Andrea is actually half Mexican.
Okay.
I'm a big fan of accessibility. Okay, so now we're going to get these guys here.
Okay.
We're gonna put it on top. Wow. Heavy hand. I got these slices of cheese, and I was thinking of putting a
Ooh.
slice on here to like glue everything together. Just seam side down. Kind of like pancakes though, you know? Seal everything up and just let it do its thing.
I feel like I work at Taco Bell right now. That's a good thing.
In the weeds.
Yeah. Wow. This way or this way? We're going this way.
Yeah.
So you went veggie when you're 20 years old?
Listen to a lot of propaganda.
I like how a lot of young people can be influenced in a positive way through that kind of thing. It also makes you see how a lot of young people can be influenced in a negative way by a lot of things in the world now.
But my friend showed me your first album. I was like, whoa, this is crazy. I've never heard anything like this.
This 16-year-old kid has a lot to say about
Yeah.
the world around him.
Yeah. And I was actually in culinary school.
Okay.
And one of my instructors was vegan, which was very weird.
That's got to be rare in culinary school.
And she's doing it, so why
Yeah.
can't I? So then she was like
That's cool.
the turning point. Yeah.
That's an impactful encounter right there.
Yeah. Oh, Sadie's Diner.
Oh, yeah.
Ever go there?
Yeah, absolutely.
Ska really was a thing for like a moment in time. And there's still...
Hey, to a lot of people still is, you know?
That's true.
The comments are going crazy. Yeah, I got really heavy into all that, obviously. I mean, the first Flatliners record to us, Destroy to Create, is like a Suicide Machines tribute album.
Sweet.
You know, that's who we really loved. And like Op Ivy and all the New York stuff, like Crack Rock Steady stuff, like Choking Victim and Leftover Crack, and like we really fell in love with that whole world. But we were 16 years old, and we had a lot of opinions on the world around us.
Right.
Okay, we're cutting.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh, shit.
Okay.
Sorry. What are we doing here?
Oh, just slicing again if you're doing like a quarter slice.
Oh. Wow, look at all the colors. It's like summer in a wrap.
That's summertime, baby.
Cheers.
Yes. Let me get that flame. Here we go. Yeah. Take a blowtorch to it, man. See what happens.
We've conquered the mountain that is the Crunchwrap Supreme. We did it. We're at the end. We can finally take the bite that you've been waiting for. You can take a double bite?
No, I don't think so. I don't know what I'm doing.
That'd be messy.
That's too much.
Cheers.
Cheers, buddy. Oh, yeah. It tastes like I'm about to go load into a show far from home. That's so good.
I don't know how to end it, so I'll just say like, thanks for tuning in. This is Chris from the Flatliners, and he plays in Hot Water Music.
Thanks for having me.
I wasn't sure what to call this series that I'm gonna do, so I haven't made a name yet. So this might just be episode 1 of X. That's a wrap.
Thanks for having me. The TVP is a good idea, buddy.
It is. I was gonna do lentils
Oh, that'd be good.
and black beans.
Yeah.
This is like a.
But this is more like
TVP is
classic,
sometimes
like
hard to
female
find.
style.
Yeah.